Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to repair a zinc roof. First, carefully inspect your roof to identify the extent and type of damage, whether it's a small puncture or a larger crack. Next, gather all necessary materials such as a wire brush, specialized zinc sealant, and any required repair patches. Always prioritize safety by wearing appropriate gear and using secure ladders before starting any work on your roof. Once prepared, begin by meticulously cleaning the damaged area. Use a wire brush to remove any loose debris, rust, or old sealant, ensuring a clean surface for adhesion. For small holes or cracks, apply a generous amount of a high-quality, zinc-compatible sealant directly over the imperfection. Then, firmly press a suitable repair patch onto the wet sealant, smoothing out any air bubbles for a secure bond. For larger areas of damage, a simple patch might not suffice. You'll need to cut a new piece of zinc sheet, ensuring it overlaps the damaged section by at least 2 inches on all sides. Carefully position this new sheet over the compromised area. Secure it firmly using appropriate fasteners designed for zinc roofing, making sure not to over-tighten. Finally, apply a continuous bead of sealant around all edges of the new patch to create a completely watertight barrier. After completing the repairs, take a moment to thoroughly inspect the entire area. Check for any missed spots or potential leaks, ensuring every seam and patch is perfectly sealed. Regular maintenance, like cleaning debris and checking for minor issues, will significantly extend your zinc roof's lifespan. Remember, a well-maintained roof protects your home for years to come. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.